Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your WordPress website to Google Search Console. This process is crucial for understanding how Google sees your site and for improving its visibility. We will cover the simple steps to get your site verified and start receiving valuable insights. It typically takes only a few minutes to complete the initial setup, opening up a world of data to help your website thrive online. Let's get started with the first step. There are several ways to verify your website's ownership with Google Search Console. The HTML file upload method requires you to place a specific file in your site's root directory. Alternatively, the HTML tag method involves adding a unique meta tag to your site's header section. If you already use Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager, you can often use those accounts for verification. For those with more technical expertise, DNS record verification is also an option. We will focus on the HTML tag method next. The HTML tag method is often the easiest for WordPress users. First, navigate to Google Search Console and copy the unique meta tag provided. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard. You can then paste this meta tag into your site's header. Many users find it convenient to use a dedicated plugin, like Insert Headers and Footers, or directly edit their theme's header file. Once the tag is in place, return to Search Console and click Verify. Google will then confirm your ownership. After successfully connecting your WordPress site, the real work begins. Google Search Console provides invaluable data. Regularly check your site's indexing status to ensure all your pages are discoverable. Analyze search queries to understand what terms users are searching for to find your content, and review your click-through rates. Promptly address any crawl errors reported by Google to maintain a healthy site. Finally, submit your sitemaps to help Google efficiently crawl and index your entire website, improving its overall visibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.